This is a brand new 2013 Ford Taurus SHOW. This four-door sedan has an automatic transmission and a 3.5-liter V6. Its top features include a twin-turbocharged forced induction system, a sports suspension, a rear-view camera, cooled seats, XM satellite radio, aluminum wheels, and traction control and stability control systems. The following features are included: air conditioning, an auto-dimming rear-view mirror, 7 intelligently positioned speakers, steering wheel mounted gear shift, side curtain airbags, and power-adjustable gas and brake pedals enable you to change their height and distance to fit your body rather than you fit to their positions. This automobile won't last long at this price. Call and arrange a test drive now.
Lakeview Ford Lincoln is dedicated to doing everything possible to ensure that the experience you have selecting your next vehicle is as pleasant as possible. We are located at 295 West Stickman Road in Battle Creek.